Now it's 9:23. Our good friend Craig Ashton and Price joining us here this morning.
Good morning.
Hi there.
Good morning.
All right, we got a lot of current issues we want to jump into with celebrity legal entanglements. We want to start first with the Taylor Swift situation, where she won.
Right.
The sexual assault
Claiming if DJ groped her
case.
Because the DJ sued her, but she won the countersuit.
So yeah, I'll break it down real quickly. So we have tortious interference with contractual relations, which is kind of a weird cause of action. Which she said, look, you said something about me, which is not true, probably defamation, which affected my employment contract, $150,000 a year, and I got fired, so that's tortious interference with contractual relations.
Okay.
So what happens at the end of the presentation, the defense will say, Your Honor, we want a directed verdict. And the judge in this case said, look, you haven't presented facts, David Mueller, the DJ, that would support your cause of action, so the jury can't even hear it, dismissed. So at that point, the judge stepped in, and the jury didn't get to hear that, but Taylor Swift filed a counterclaim for $1 for assault and battery. Now, assault and battery is the harmful or offensive touching. And when you have that picture where his hand, he said it was on her back, but I'm no
it's a little
doctor,
low.
but it looks to me like
It's a little low.
I do auto accidents, and I can tell you back injuries don't occur at that level.
There we go.
So at that point, that picture seemed to speak 1,000 words in regards to the harmful or offensive touching, and she was doing this as a matter of principle. She won only $1. Jury awarded it to her, but she spent about $150,000 to get to that point. So she's in the unique position whereby she can make a matter of principle a legal issue to ultimately bring justice, which is very interesting, but you don't see very often because attorneys work on a contingency fee. A third of $1 is 33 cents for. It's not enough to pay the.
Not enough at all. So we got to get to the local case.
Yeah, definitely.
So a basketball player, Zach Randolph, just signed with the Kings, but recently was arrested with an excessive amount of marijuana. And the thing here is intent to sell.
How do you prove that?
Right. So Proposition 64 makes it legal since November 9th of last year to have an ounce of marijuana on you. You can. It's totally legal. If you're over 18, you can have it. You can't smoke in public. But at the end of the day, he had 2 pounds. Which, if the police are called and you have 2 pounds anywhere near you, then the issue is that's way more than an ounce, so it could be an infraction, but the intent to sell is, all right, where was it? Was it in a backpack? Was there any money with it? Was it packaged in a way that looked like it was made to sell, like little packages, or in just a big 2-pound bag? So I think this is going to be very difficult for them to prove against him. Because he's got all of his friends there say, hey, it wasn't his pot, he wasn't trying to sell it. Plus, he just signed a $24 million contract.
Yeah, he hadn't even gotten
He doesn't need the money, officer. He's got money, so he's not selling it. He just had too much. I think this is probably going to go away. But look, you're in the NBA. You just signed a contract. You got a morality clause that the NBA can enforce, and also the Kings. Do not risk your contract and all this money because you're going to be 40 soon enough where you're not be able to earn $12 million bucks.
Isn't that the truth? That is so true.
Not exactly the best way to start off.
Go like Leo DiCaprio, party at your house. Nobody needs to know.
Behind your own closed door.
Right now, he's probably got tigers swimming from chandeliers, but you never hear about it.
We don't know.
And Jack Nicholson's partying with him too. So if you're going to be out in public, don't have more than an ounce of marijuana on you, especially when you just signed a contract.
This is why you should have an attorney as a homie.
Right?
Should I do this?
Yes.
No.
For the best
if you're asking the question.
Don't think twice, Zach. I'm telling you, man.
There it is.
Come on, Zach.
That's how you wrap that up. Always good to see you, Craig.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Good job,
I'm not
Craig.
kidding either.
I know. We know you're not.
I love it.
We've got all his information linked up. Good day, Zach.